Hello. Uh, so here we got a truck. I already took the unscrewed this part where we're gonna be putting some oil in, and you have to somehow go underneath the truck. I've got these ramps, but you might have jacks or whatnot. So this is what you need. You need this particular oil, 5W20, for the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. You're going to need a 15 millimeter socket with a wrench. You are going to need a torque wrench. The torque spec for this particular drain plug is 18 pounds of foot-pounds of torque. You're going to need a filter, obviously. This one is AC Delco from Walmart. Was $4. PF48E is the part number. And this one's from O'Reilly's, our automotive parts store here. 66451 is the part number for this particular drain plug. And so let me now go under and show you what is going on down there. So there's the situation. It's kind of centered. It's right in the center. You got your oil filter right here, and here's the drain plug right here. You take this off, drain it, take this off, drain it, and then do everything in reverse. Don't forget to put some oil in, and that's about it. Okay, happy trucking.